Okay, so for today's session, we are going to go through the topic Polygon. So let me know, stop me if you think that you do not understand certain things. So I'm going to explain it further. Okay, we go for basic polygon knowledge. So for a regular polygon, it is a polygon with all sides having the same length and all interior angle are actually at the same size. Means having the same length means we indicate with this tick. You can see it means that the length is the same, by meaning all the angle are also at the same size. So at this point, are you okay, Alif? Okay. So the number of axes of symmetry of a regular polygon is also equal to the number of sides of the polygon. So we are having how many sides here?
Right.
We have
5.
sides. So that is also the number of axes of symmetry. So number of axes of symmetry is equal to number of sides of the polygon. So here, what you need to know is, let's see, I'm going to simplify for you. So for note number 1, first, all polygon have same length. And then the angle also same size. So when we talk about polygon, it is the same length and the same size. And then the second one is about the symmetry. Okay, number of symmetry equal to number of size. Number of sides. Number of sides of the polygon. Okay, let's say a polygon with a square. How many symmetry do you have there?
4.
Yes, because we have 4 sides of a square. So we have 4 symmetry, number of symmetry. So if let's say we have 8 sides of a polygon, how many number of symmetry?
8.
Yes, it is 8. So at this point, I understand that both of you understand the concept, right? And then the point that regular polygon meet the axis of symmetry is known as a center. Means by saying that point that regular polygon meet the axis of symmetry, you can say that, for example, like this one. Okay, let's see, we divide it into 2. It goes this way. And then we have another symmetry go this side. And then in another symmetry go, okay. Sorry, I have to move this. Okay, this is another symmetry. So you can see that it meets at one point. So this point is called a center. So the angle that create here is a central angle. For in terms of radius, you know, as a circle, from center to the end point, we call it as radius. So as here, are you okay?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to clear this up. Do you need to make some notes from here?
No.
No. Alif, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to clear this up. And then let's see for number 4. So for a regular polygon, all the vertices are the same distance from the center of the polygon. And every side attach the same angle at the center of the angle. Means the radius, the center until the end point And also the central angle is equal at every angle. An irregular polygon is a polygon which we do not have same length. So this one, when it say as irregular, so it is an unequal length of sides, or even the size of the angle is also unequal. So you have to remember, you have to know that either it is a regular polygon or it is an irregular polygon. So you have to identify that according to the question. So we are going to look at the first example. So for the first example, this is a diagram showing a hexagon. So the question asks, the first one, write down the geometric properties of a hexagon if hexagon is a regular hexagon. So what you need to do is you have to identify the angle, the length, and then the axis of the symmetry. Okay, so here what it did is, first it said that the interior angle are all the same and all the sides are same length. So what you can do here is, of course, a hexagon, how many sides do we have?
6.
Okay. Hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So what are the geometric properties that you can mention is, in terms of it has how many sides? 6 sides as now. 6 equal sides. And how many angle?
6.
And 6 equal angle.
Miss Nadia, can I go toilet, please?
Okay, sure. We take 2 minutes break. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's continue. So next, the question asks about mark on given diagram to show the geometric properties of the regular hexagon. So to mark an equal sides, so what you need to do is you have to put this line at all the sides. So it indicates that it has same length. And then in terms of angle, you have to indicate with the same. If let's say you use 1, you can also use 2, what we call as double indicator, to show that it is having the same amount of sides. Because sometimes if you have two different length, but you have a number of sides which is the same, what you can do is to indicate is with 1 and double line. So let's say you have this one, right? You can indicate is 1 line for 1 length, and then the other one with 2 lines. Okay?
Yeah.
And then the next one is how many axes of symmetry? How many axes of symmetry a regular hexagon have?
6.
Yes, because we have here 6 sides, so we have 6 axes of symmetry as well. Okay. So Myra, are you having trouble with your...
She's having technical difficulties.
Okay, it's okay now.
Okay. So let's go to a construction of a regular polygon. So in terms of polygon, because it can be more than 4, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be more than that. So what you need to understand is in terms of angle. So if a regular polygon, actually, 360 divided by n is number of sides, is the angle subtended by each side of the center of n side regular polygon. So it means by having n sides, so the angle will be 360 because as a total, we have 360 degree as a full angle, 360. So in whatever polygon, how many sides of a polygon, the total angle is 360 degree. Afterwards, we are going to look at the example. So, a n-side regular polygon is formed from a congruent isosceles triangle. So, let's proceed to example 2 first. Okay, so now for example 2, we need to construct a regular pentagon. It is a pentagon. So how many sides do we have in a pentagon?
5.
Okay, a pentagon with 5 sides. And then we have 5 corners as well. So the corner, we call it as A, B, C, D, E. And sides with length of 4 centimeter. So what you need to do is, you have to construct a 4 centimeter length segment, line segment, whereby here you draw a line and then you construct a segment with length of 4 centimeter. And then the next one, you have to get the center. The center of polygon is construct so that OAB is an isosceles triangle for which the angle at A and B is 180 minus 72 divided by 2. Do you know how it gets 180 minus 72 divided by 2?
No. Oh, I know, because at the bottom there is 72.
Okay. You see how it gets to 72? Okay. Let's see. Take your calculator. 360 divided by 5. How much do you get?
360 minus what?
360 degree divide by 5. Why 5? Because we have 5 sides.
72.
Okay, Alif?
Yeah.
So first, what we need to do is the angle we divide by 5. 360 divided by 5 depends on number of sides. And then you get 72. So by having this 72, actually, you know that you have a triangle. You are going to form a triangle from this particular lines of 4 centimeter. So in a triangle, a total of angle in a triangle is 180. Total of 1, 2, 3, A, B, and C is equal to 180. So you have to plus all the angle, A plus B plus C, you get 180. So then, how to get B and C?
You find A and you divide that by 2.
Okay, that's good. So, in this diagram, what is A?
72.
Yes, A is equal to 72. So, what will be B and C? B is equal to
54.
C, which is 180.
Oh,
184, right?
180
180, you minus
minus
72.
72.
You divide by 2. So you get 54. Okay. You get me until this point? Okay. And then what you need to do is you have to draw an arc passing through A and B. So you have to identify where is the location of the center. Actually, by having the center, so you have to draw an arc. So now what you need to have here is your protector, all your drawing tools. So when you have the center, you can draw an arc passing through A and B, and even C, D, and E to have a complete turn, a complete circle. So by here at point C, D, and E is marked. So you can identify the angle of A, O. O is the center. Usually we mark a center with O.
Yeah.
So AOB, BOC, COD, DOE, and EOA is equal to 72. Yes.
Did you just say COD?
I mentioned COD. Am I
duty.
COD?
Yeah,
We have
duty.
A. We have A, and then we have O, we have B. We get this angle. We have BOC, where B, and then O, and then C. You get this angle. And then C, O, and D, you get this angle. And then D, O, E, you get this other angle. And E, O, and A, you get this angle. So this 5 angle, if you sum it up, it becomes 360. But by each, the value is 72 each. So it is equal 572 angle equal to 360. Okay. What happened next is, since you already have a circle, you can just draw the center to get the center, right? And then what you need to do is you can get your 4 centimeter each. 4 centimeter, draw 4 centimeter at each which touch the circle. So you can draw a regular polygon. So is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So I'm clearing this up, okay? Okay, we proceed to the next one. Now we proceed to the interior angles and exterior angles of a polygon. So sum of the interior angle, you have to notice that the sum of interior angle of a triangle, it is 180. This is for triangle. For triangle, 180. Interior angle. Then, in terms of sum of the interior angle of n-sided triangle, it is n minus 2 times 180 degree. Okay, this is notes that you need to be aware with. And then the next one is sum of exterior angle. This is an interior. And this is an exterior. So sum of exterior angle of a polygon, always 360 degree. Okay. In terms of triangle, we are talking about interior. So interior, 1, 2, and 3. This is 180 degree. So how about the exterior angle? So I have to extend my line. So let me use another color. So here Okay, this is not the color. Okay, one here, and one here. Okay, what will be the angle of this one? The total angle of red color. Remember, exterior angle, sum of
Always.
exterior angle is always 360. Either it is a triangle, a square, polygon, hexagon, the total of exterior angle will be 360. Okay, Alif?
Yep.
Okay. So now, let us determine the interior angle, exterior angle, and number of sides of a polygon. So, in terms of interior angle, so this is the formula that you need to remember, and you can take notes on this one because this is the formula that you need to memorize for polygon. So for interior angle is equal to sum of interior angles divided by number of sides. So you get the interior angle. So in terms of sum of interior angles, the formula you get just now is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Or you can also say that an interior angle is 180 minus exterior angle, which is 360 divided by n. So I think this one is much easier for you to remember. Why? Because you know for interior angle, we are talking about triangle having interior angle of 180. So for exterior angle, you know that total of exterior angle, the sum is 360. So just divide by the number of sides that you have. So this is a much better formula that you can use. And then for the second one is formula that you can use for calculating the exterior angle of n sides regular polygon. So you have to remember this is for interior angle and this is for exterior angle. So for exterior angle, much easier for you because you just need to remember this one. So can you see that it is related? So that is an easy way of remembering formula. So it is related for interior and exterior. So it can help you a lot here. Okay. So have you taken the notes for this one?
Yeah, I learned at school, so it's already in my notebook.
Okay. So Alif, okay, all right?
Yeah.
So let's see, for example, number 3. So we have a regular nonagon shown above. So what is the value of n for a nonagon?
9.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So for a nonagon, we have 9. The value is 9. Okay, so in terms of interior angle, how to calculate an interior angle? Okay, one of the way is like this, which is you have to do n minus 2 times 180 degree, which is you have 9, you minus with 2 times 180 degree, you get 7 times 180. So do you get 1260?
Yeah.
180. Okay, you get 1260 degree. So what you need to do is you have to divide with 9 sides. So you have the total number of the angle and divide by 9, you get 140 degree each. So the value of x, or each angle that we have here at each corner is equal to 140 degree. Okay, second method, whereby we use the exterior angle first. We calculate 360 divided by 9. So for exterior angle, you calculate this one. So you get this one. Okay, the value is 40. So 360 divided by 9, you get 40 degree here outside. So then what you need to do is, because this is one straight line actually, so 180 minus 40, you get 140 degree. Okay? Okay, Alif?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So let us see example number 4, which is an irregular pentagon. Okay, by having this, okay, how many sides do we have in this
5.
pentagon? 5
Five.
sides. Okay, we have 5 sides. So what is the total sum? What is the sum of exterior angle? What is the total angle of the exterior angle? If we sum up everything outside, the angle outside of the polygon, outside of the irregular polygon, here, and then we add on here, we add on here, here, and here. What will be the answer? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What do we get?
When you plus all of them together,
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
444.
444. Are you sure? For the external one,
Oh,
this is an exterior angle. How much do you get, Alif?
146.
Are you sure?
108.
Are you sure?
Wait, what?
Total of 1. Okay, I'm asking about 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What will be?
The angles 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you get 454.
454?
444.
444. 444. This is an exterior angle, right? So a total sum of exterior angle. Is it 444?
No,
No.
So what will it be?
446, I said.
446? Why
Yeah.
446?
My calculator says that.
My calculator says 454.
This is for the external, remember? How do you calculate that? Okay, let's see.
360 divided by 5.
360 divided by 5. Okay. Why you divide by 5?
Because there are 5 sides.
Okay, there are 5 sides. That is good, but this is an irregular pentagon. So when it is an irregular pentagon, in terms of, remember the rule just now? For sum of exterior angle of a polygon is always 360 degree. So for exterior angle, the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5 is actually 360.
60.
It is supposed to be 360 degree. Remember the rule. It is 360.
Even if it's irregular.
Yes. Even it is an irregular, it is always 360. So you have all the angles here. So can you find all the exterior angle at 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, what will be the exterior angle at 1? Myra calculate for 1 and 2. Alif calculate for 3 and 4.
I got 2060.
2060. For number
2 and 4, right?
3 and 4.
For 1, I got 54.
Okay, calculate one by one. For 1, you get
54.
54. For 2,
For 2, 36.
36. Okay, Alif, for 3,
28.
38.
28.
28. For number 4,
22.
22.
70.
72.
Yeah.
Okay, Myra, can you tell me how you get 54?
Because 101 minus 2, you get 108, and then you divide that by 2, you get 54.
Okay, in terms of irregular polygon or a polygon, to calculate an exterior angle, actually we are going to draw a straight line here. When we are drawing a straight line, so what will be the angle of a straight line?
180.
Yes, 180. So when it is 180, you have 110 here. So what will be the other side? Is it 54?
70.
Yes, it's supposed to be 70 here. So 180 minus 110 get 70. So that is correct. How about number 2?
106.
Okay, this one is 106. So for this one, yes, you had it correct, Alif. And then this one
22.
also correct. So if let's say you plus 70, 106, 28, and 72, how much do you get?
276.
Yes, so plus 72. You get a total of 276. So you need to plus that number 5 in order to get the total sum of 360. So what will be number 5?
84.
So 84. So number 5 will be 84. So what will be A?
84. Eh? No.
A? What is the value of A? Alif?
96.
You get 84 here. So here, Alif, do you get the same answer?
Yeah.
How much is your answer?
It's 84, right? Because
84 is for number 5. How about A?
it will be 250.
What will be A just now?
250.
250. How
200.
can you get 250?
Because it's
Remember, this is a straight line. So in terms of straight line, we have 84 here. What will be the value of A?
96.
180 minus 84. So you get 96. Okay, Alif.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get 96 here. So I'm not going to go through the solution because you already get 96 just now. So you understand how we get the answer, right?
Yeah.
So let's see example number 5. So find the value for y. So can you do this one?
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Is the answer 15?
Okay, Myra answer 50,
15.
15.
Okay.
Okay, so Myra answer is 15. How about Alif?
Mm,
Do you have the same answer?
should be.
You managed to calculate up to 15?
Mm, oh, yeah.
Okay, Myra, can you share with me how you get the answer? What you do?
I calculate the exterior angle for everything,
Okay.
and then I plus it together, and that equals to 345. And I minus 360 with 345, and that left 15.
Okay.
How much is 165?
I'm not saying that you are wrong. Just we are going to look at a different point of view. Okay. First, can you calculate this one? Okay, this one you don't have to calculate actually. Sorry. What I need you to calculate is this one. Oh, sorry. Since y is here, so we are looking at the other point of view. So here, what will be this point? What will be the value of this angle?
120.
420?
120.
120. Are you sure 120? 120 will be here.
Oh,
This is the
135.
actually the value will be 60 because it points each other. When we have a cross like this, here and here, it becomes ribbon. When it becomes ribbon, here and here, the value is the same. Also like this part and this part, the angle will also be the same. So here is actually 60 degree. So if you calculate 120 here, you get 120 here. But then when you recalculate this area, actually you get 60 as well. Okay, how about this one? What is the angle
100.
for this side? Is it 100 for exterior angle? This exterior angle. Alif?
80.
Okay, for this one, you get 80. How about this one, Alif?
120.
Remember, this is a straight line.
Yeah,
So what will be this angle?
20.
120, 180 minus 120.
160. No, just 60.
60 only. How about this one, Myra?
50.
So you get 50. So basically what you need to do is the total angle. Remember the exterior angle, 360 equal to y plus, we go this sides. So we go 45, we have 60, and then we have 80, we have 60, and then we have another 50. So 360. So do you get the same value here, Myra? 45 plus 60 plus 80 plus 60 plus 50. You get 295.
Yeah.
So you get 295 here. But then y, what will be y?
65.
Minus 295. So yes, you get 65. So Alif, are you clear?
Yep.
Okay. So basically, the easiest way to calculate this part is actually just to find the summation of total exterior angle. So you can get the answer 65. But remember, the trick here is actually, okay, you have to draw the exterior line, exit from the polygon, and then you have to make sure that it is at the same, what we call that? Same sides. But what I mean is that, okay, in terms of this sides, when the angle that you need to find is these sides. So what you need to do is you have to extend these sides, and then these sides. This need practice actually. So the angle that you need to find is this, and this. If let's say you are looking at another angle, sometimes you might find it, you get a different value. So to make sure that you get the same value, so you have to make sure that you are measuring at the same angle. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Alif?
Yeah.
If you find it difficult, just let me know. I'm going to re-explain, maybe in terms of different point of view so that you can understand. Okay, Alif?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So the next one is about solving the problem involving polygon. So here we have A, B, C, D, E as a regular pentagon. So we have to find the value of X. So how we are going to find this? The first one is in terms of interior angle. Remember, interior angle, we have number of sides. We have 5 minus 2. We have to times with 180 degree and divide by 5. So you get 108. And then what you need to do afterwards is you have to find A, B, E and C, B, D. So you have to find this angle first, which is 180 minus 108, this one, and divide by 2, because we have two sides here. So you get 36 each at the other sides. So 108, total angle here, minus 36 minus 36, you get 36. So basically this is a regular pentagon. So looks like 108 divided by 3. You see, right? Because it is a regular pentagon. Okay, Alif?
Yeah.
Okay. So if let's say we are using another formula which is exterior angle. So what will be the exterior angles? The total of exterior angles just now, how many? What will it be? Total of exterior angle?
360.
Okay, remember 360. So 360. So at each angle, how much will you get? At each exterior angle, what will be the value? For this.
444.
Okay. What was my question just now?
What will be the angle of each?
At each corner of exterior angle.
Yeah.
Okay. So for a polygon, for a pentagon, it has 5 sides. So n sides. N will be, for a pentagon, n will be 5. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 5. What is it, Alif? 360 divided by 5? What do you get?
2.
72. 72. Sorry, 72. Yeah. You get 72 each. So how to get the inside one? Interior angle?
180 minus 72.
Yes. To get an interior angle, 180, you minus with 72. So you get?
208.
Yes. You still get the same answer, 108. So what you need to do next is, since this is a regular pentagon, so here, oh, sorry. Remember just now, the indication is you have the same length at each. But then when you want to find x, it becomes a same length triangle. So that's why what happened is that you have to find these two angles. By finding these two angles, the value you get 36. And then when you minus the total from this 36 and 36, you get another 36. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let us see at example 7. So in a signage design competition, Michael had created a signage in the shape of a regular polygon with sides of length 5 cm and its perimeter is 30 cm. What is the value of interior angle of the signage? Okay. Can you find the interior angle, the total value of interior angle? So the question asks, the question information that you have is 1, the length of side of the polygon is 5 cm, and then you have perimeter of 30 cm. So how many sides do you think you have in your polygon?
Six.
Alif?
Perimeter.
Alif? How many sides do you have in your polygon?
Yeah, 6.
Myra answer 6. How about Alif?
Oh wait, I was muted. Sorry. I just said 6.
Okay. Yes. How do you get 6?
Because 30 divided by 5 is 6.
Yes, correct. Because we have a perimeter, so we divide with the length of one side, which is 5 centimeters. So we get 6 sides. Okay. So 30 divided by 5, you get 6 sides. So number of interior angle is 6. So how to calculate the interior angle? So 6 minus 2 times 180, you get 720 degree. So 720 degree. In terms of interior value of the signage, you have to divide by 6. This one is for interior angle, total of interior angle, the value of interior angle. But then at each angles of the signage, you have to divide by 6 sides, whereby it becomes 120 degree. So far, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see some exercise. So we have already learned the theory part. Oops. What happened? Okay. Let me see just now. So we go to Polygon. Okay. This one is too easy for you. Okay, let me go through Polygon. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the... Okay, let's see this one. In terms of polygon. So, find the sum of interior angle of each of the following polygon. So, number 1 will be Alif. Number 2 will be Myra. Okay, let me share the remote control. Okay, Alif.
Well done.
Okay, that's good. So, for number 2, Myra, are you guessing or... Okay, number 2, trapezium. You have to find the interior angle. The sum of interior angle. What will be the sum of interior angle?
Do I
Trapezium.
have control on the screen?
Oh, sorry. I haven't passed you the remote control. Okay.
Excellent.
That's good. So number 3, Alif.
Wait, where's your mouse?
Wait. Okay. Alif, now you can control octagon.
Fantastic.
Okay, number 4.
Maybe, but not anymore.
That's easy, right?
No.
But it's getting tougher and tougher. Okay, number 4, Myra.
Try again.
Okay, let's see. Sum of interior angle is 900. So you have to find the number of sides. How many number of sides? You said that number of angles is 2. Okay. Okay, Alif, do you know how is the answer for number 4?
Oh, no, I still don't understand.
Myra, do you get what you get wrong from the answer?
I thought it was minus.
Okay, let us see here. Okay, this is actually the same, right?
No.
Okay, and then here you also get the same. Okay, the things that you get it wrong is actually when n minus 2, you have n minus 2 here. But then you have to move this minus 2 to the other side. Remember, when you are moving negative to the other side, it becomes
Positive.
yeah. So it becomes positive. So that's why the answer is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So this one. Okay, number 5, Alif.
Try again.
She really just said this now. Wow.
I just mentioned that
Oh,
when you move the
what is
operation.
minus when you want to find the answer?
Okay, actually it is the same, right? Remember? Okay. So here and minus 2. Here and minus 2. Remember when we move this negative minus to the other side, it will change its nature from negative to positive. That's why number 1 is incorrect. From minus, it becomes positive actually. So 10 plus 2, you get 12. Okay, Alif? You have to remember when we move the operation here, either plus or minus, it will become the other way around. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Okay? So because this is the basic things that you have to remember in all operation, in all topics, you are going to see this. So number 6 is Myra.
Well done.
Okay, Myra get it right.
She's in the cassette. She's in the cassette.
Okay.
No, I didn't, you liar.
No, I didn't.
I see the numbers.
Oh.
So now for this one, n minus 2, actually it is the same. But then you have to look at the number properly. Here 3 and 2. 3 and 2, not 3 and 5. So you have to be careful in every question that you get. So now, okay, the first one will be Alif. Okay, find the value of x in each of the following polygon. You have one remaining.
Well done.
Okay, are you guessing or you get it right?
Yeah, I got it right.
He totally guessed it.
No.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Can you explain how you get the answer?
So basically, it's just 180 minus 163.
Okay.
You should find the remaining.
So are you using which one? Interior, sum of interior or
Just
sum of exterior?
Yeah.
Remember what is the formula for sum of interior?
Mm,
Wait. Can you share with me? Do you remember the sum of interior?
N minus 2 times 180 divided by 2.
N minus 2 times 180. So this is the total of sum of interior. Right. Sum of interior angle. So I'm going to put it here. How about sum of exterior angle?
360 divided by N.
Okay, 360 divided by N. This is actually 360 divided by N. Sum of exterior angle is 360. But 360 divided by N is for each angle. Each angle. Ui. I'm having trouble with my mouse. Actually, I can just type it down. So this one is for each angle. Okay. Now, let's see number 2. It's Myra's turn. Okay. What will be the value of X? Oops.
Is this one the interior or exterior?
This one is interior. So actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corner. We have 6 corner means we have 6 sides. Five, 3, and 150. Which one do you get? Okay, you have the formula for sum of interior angle. So when you get sum of interior angle, you just minus all the angles that you have inside, you get X. Do you get the answer, Myra?
No.
Okay, n minus 2. What will be n?
6.
So 6 minus 2 is
4.
4 times 180.
720.
Okay, 720 you minus with 120, 150, 120, 95, and 105. Do you get the answer?
Yeah.
Yes. Which one?
Excellent.
Okay. Alif, do you know how Myra get the answer? Okay, first what you need to do is you have to find the sum of all the angle inside, which is n minus 2 times 180. In here, we have 6 sides or 6 corner. Our n is 6. 6 minus 2, we get 4. 4 times 180, we get 720. And then you minus with 120, 150, 120, 95, 105. You get 130 for x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so number 3, Alif.
Let me see. Getting why is there 5x minus and 4x plus 8x, 7x?
Okay, this one, you just sum all the x's, all the x that you have. 5x plus 5x minus 6 plus 4x plus 14 plus 7x plus 8x minus 8 plus 6x and 120 equal to n. What is your n for this question? N is number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 2 times 180. So you get the total sum of interior angle. So when you add on everything, you have to calculate the x, the value of x.
Try again.
You are guessing, is it?
I just want to get over it.
No, you have to do it right. Okay, let me show you the step by step. Okay. First, you find the sum of interior angle, which is n minus 2 times 180. So what is n in this example? N is 6. So sum of interior angle is 6 minus 2 times 180. What is your answer for this one, Alif? You need to press the calculator. 6 minus 2 times 180
120.
is 720. That is correct. 720.
What?
4
Well,
times 180. Okay? At this point, are you okay?
maybe I don't know.
Why,
What's the
Alif?
real answer for from 720?
So first, we have to find the total angle first. After finding this angle, what you need to do is 120 plus 5x minus 6 plus 4x plus 14. Okay, let me put the bracket at each so you won't get confused. And then we have 7x, and then you have 8x minus 8. And then you have 6x. So this is equal to 720. So the value for angle, you only have 120 and 720. So you bring 120 to the other side. So here it plus, what will it become here? It will become 720 minus with 120.
Oh,
So you bring this one up here, and then here, I just maintain this 5x. I open all the bracket, will become 5x minus 6. Help me out here, 5x minus 6, and then we have 4x plus 14.
14.
Then we have 7x, and then what do we have here? 8x
Minus 8.
minus 8. And we have 6x. So can you count all the x that we have in the equation?
5.
Okay, 5x. Okay, you have 5x, but okay, 5x plus 4x plus 7x plus 8x plus 6x. What will you get? Five plus 4, you get 9. 9 plus 7.
I got 25.
9
Why the
plus
x?
7. Okay, 16, 16, 16, 20, 16, 16, 24, 24, 30. Is it 30x?
Yeah.
5x plus 4x. What you need to do here is you have to calculate one by one.
5x plus 4x is 9.
Nine.
9x plus 7x is 16. 16 plus 6x is 22. 22 plus 8x is 30.
Okay, so here 720 minus 120. What do you get, Alif?
40.
40. 720 minus 120.
600.
600. Okay, so now we have 30x, and then we have minus 6 plus 14 and minus 8. What do we get? Minus 6, 14, you get 8. 8 minus 8, you get 0, right? Is it correct? Am I correct?
For which one?
Okay, wait. I have to highlight one by one. Okay, for 5x, just now 5x, we have x. This is the x's that we need to calculate. So this is the x's that we get 30x, correct? So the next one is the number. So the number we have minus 6, we have plus 14, and then we have minus 8. So minus 6 plus 14, we get 8. Plus 8. Plus 8 minus 8, we get 0. Is it correct?
Yes.
Do you agree? So 3x plus 0 here. So 0, no need to put lah. No need to put. So we have 600 equal to 30x. So 30x means 30 times x equal to 600. So when it is times here, what happened when we move it to the other side?
Divide.
Yes. When it migrates to the other sides, it becomes division. 600 minus with 30. So what do you get here? It becomes 20. Are we clear, Alif?
Yeah.
Okay, that is how we get 20 for this answer. Okay, for number 4, now number 3 is Alif. So number 4 is Myra. So Myra, here's your remote. I'm going to clear this part. Oh, sorry. Let me control the screen first. So I'm going to erase this part. Only this part. Okay. Now, Myra, for number 4. The same concept applies. So you need to find the value of x. Okay. Okay, let me control the screen first. Okay, you get the answer?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Try again.
Okay. What happened this time? Okay. What is the sum of interior angle that you get? So what is the end for question number 4?
5,
5. 5 minus 2
3,
times 180,
540,
540. So you get it right for the sum. of interior angle. That's good. That part, the first part, you get it right. So sum of interior angle equal to 540. So we have 5 minus 2 times 180. So you get 540. Okay, the next one, what you need to do is you have to add on all that you have. So that is 5x. We start with A, 5x plus 2. Then we plus 3x plus 5. Then we plus with C, which is 8x plus 8. And then plus with 4x plus 15. And then plus 15, 5x plus 10. Okay. So this total is equal to 540. And then what happened is you open all the bracket. So we group all the x at one side and the number at one side. So 5x plus 3x plus 8x plus 4x plus 5x. And then all the number plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 15 and plus 10. Is it correct, Myra?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Okay, so 5 plus 3 plus 8, 16, 16, 20, 25. So you get 25x. Is it?
Yeah,
Okay, and then how about the number?
I got
35.
50.
5, 20, 30, 40. That is 40. Is it correct?
Yeah,
Plus 8 is 10, 10. This is 20, 20, 30, 40, 40. So you get 540. So 25x. We move this 40 to the other side. So it becomes,
minus.
yes, minus 40. And then it becomes 25x equal to 500. And then x equal to 500 divided by 25. 100 by 25. You get the answer? 20. Right.
Yeah,
Okay, Ale, for this question?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 20 for this question. So the answer should be the first one. Okay, Alif. Now the next question. It goes to Alif.
What happened to the screen?
Sorry? Number 5.
I think just changed.
Wait. Number 5, we haven't changed.
I mean, everything. Can't even see the changes just now.
Which changes?
I mean, my answer just now.
Okay, you need me to redo number 3?
Wait, what?
Can you see the question for number 5?
No.
No?
I don't know what's happening.
Okay, wait. Let me stop share and I reshare. Okay, can you see now? Number 5?
That's right.
Okay, can you answer for number 5? What is the value of X?
I can't control your screen again.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. You get the answer?
Well done.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, Myra, do you know how Alif get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, now last one, Myra. So now you have to find the value for H.
Excellent.
Okay. So Alif, do you know how Myra get the answer?
Yes and no at the same time.
Yes and no. Why yes and no?
Sometimes I just think twice of it.
Okay, basically what we go through just now, first you have to find the sum of interior angle, which is n minus 2. N is number of sides. In this case, how many sides do we have?
9.
Yes, so 9 minus 2, you get 7. 7 times 180, you get the total of sum of the interior angle. So you have you add all this and you minus from all the sum of the interior angle just now, which is 1260. minus 144, minus 130, 141, and then the last one you will get H. So the value of H is 166.5. Okay?
No.
Okay. So for today, that's the end of our class.
Yay!
So do you get are you clear with Polygon, or do you need more sample question?
I'm okay with it.
Yeah, that's right.
Basically, the only things that you need to remember, the sum of interior angle and the sum of exterior angle. So you can find the value of the angle. Okay? Okay. So now, already end our class. I have to clock out. So how do you find the class today?
Good.
Okay. So for next class, do you want to request any topic?
No, don't have any topic in mind.
Okay, don't worry. So for next week, if let's say you have any homeworks that you need my help, just let me know. So I'm going to go through with you the topics, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nadia.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.